Hello and welcome back. Well, we are about to try something that I have never done before. And that is, we are going to record a video in a retired helicopter hangar. So I'm guessing that our echo is going to be pretty significant. I hope that translates well through the video, but we are going to find out. But first, this is also something that, with the help of my friend Justin Selvage, who provided me with these grill lights, I was able to reconstruct my own dash light. Now, previously this was a purchased dash light, but I had the great idea to cut off the cigarette plug and say, hey, I can just plug this into the wall, can't I? So I attached a wall plug, and well, most of you probably know where that's going. It completely fried every circuit inside. But I kept the housing and figured I could do something with it one day, and sure enough, so we'll go ahead and fire that up and keep that going on the video as we start our recording. Now, this pattern is not synchronized, but I kind of like it that way, so it gives it kind of a cool look. Alright, and without further ado, I will put on my hearing protection and we will begin our video. And in case you were wondering, yes, we do have 100-watt speakers hooked up, because what fun is only 100 watts in a hangar? retired helicopter hangar. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you in the next video.